What's up, guys? Newest video here. Haven't made one in a while. I won my court case. It's been going on for a couple years now in affiliation with picking up heroin needles from the Lancaster graveyard and being confronted by people who don't evidently like being reported to the FBI for essentially tampering with an investigation on the civilian side. I have the right to do community watch and stuff like that and pick up trash. And my lawyer basically said I'm allowed to do whatever I was doing, and the people that were trying to stop me from doing that were at fault. I'm about to go tomorrow to see the process of getting my things back. I have the actual court paperwork. I'm not going to show it for identity reasons, for my lawyer's safety. No one needs to know his name or phone number or whatever, but he said that I was free to have all my things back since I was proven innocent and not convicted of any crime. So therefore, that means all of my property should be returned regardless of what they think of it. I have a feeling that they're going to try and use their own opinions unlawfully to keep my pipe wrench axe. I have a pipe wrench that I welded onto an awl bit from the 40s and customized into a bearded dragon axe. That way the handle doesn't break, and I can use it for emergency extraction on people's vehicles or house fires in case anybody is trapped inside of a burning building or in a car, so I can get the doors open. Now, the axe head, the tooth of the pipe wrench is backwards, so I can put it in cracks and pry them open and stuff like that. It's a very, very handy tool. It's my personal fireman's axe that I made. And because of its size and stature, they're probably going to want to try and steal it. So they're probably going to try and make up some sort of thing about how I can't have it back because blah, 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 this and that, because they think it's cool and they want it. So they're going to try and say, oh, well, we can't return this because it was evidence and it must be destroyed. It's not going to get destroyed. They're going to try and keep it. My lawyer said that I could have all my property back. He's a lawyer. He knows what he's talking about. He's done this many, many times. So evidently I have to, and I talked to the police chief about it when I was getting my stuff taken. Originally, he said after, just go to the police station with the evidence list that they gave me of what they took and wrote down, and I could have all my property back if I was proven innocent. I have a little BB gun. I have a bag full of knives because I hunt, fish, and camp, and I have my axe for processing firewood and knocking trees down, and inevitably, if anything bad happens, saving people's lives. And an emergency event where someone's trapped and I can't get in with my hands. So that's the little update. I won the court case. I'm very happy about it. That means I'm allowed to own firearms again. My plan is I'm probably just going to go buy another 357 Magnum Taurus Tracker because those things are fucking awesome. 7-shot 357 mag with a 6.5-inch barrel, 7 shots in the cylinder. It's a revolver. It has a lock on the hammer, so I can put the key that it comes with on my necklace. So if anybody knocks me the fuck out and takes it, they can't just start blasting people. You know, I take safety and security extremely close to my heart. Literally, the key's around my neck. Nobody knows it takes a key, and if they want to look for it, they're going to look in my pockets. They're going to search my wallet. They'll never look at my fucking necklace. So that's about that. I just wanted to upload this video to keep people on what's going on. Yeah, we're going to get this all taken care of and solved. I just posted on my Facebook all the videos that I took of the roads getting torn up. That's when they were stealing my vehicle. So some of those markings could have been from my vehicle after 2 civilians stole it, and we already know their names and their affiliation with street gangs and dealing drugs and stuff like that. It's a known fact. So along with all that, I mean, if the police department wants to stay on the good side with the government agencies that have called him, I had the FBI call the Littleton Police Department because Officer, I think his name was Williams, refused to talk to an FBI agent that I was on the phone actively with. The FBI agent said, "I want to talk to you," on speakerphone to him, and he refused. He said, "No, I'm not talking to you," blah, 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 which is disobeying of a direct higher-ups order, which should be disciplined. So they actually had to call the Littleton Police Department and talk with them directly about me reporting things to the FBI that should be reported, that dutifully, to the Constitution of the United States of America's T, I must oblige. I have to. It's our code of conduct. And if I don't, then I'm technically being treasonous to our own constitutional rights and government, which I refuse to be. So, I've had my DD-214 looked at by people who have no authority to look at it. A list of names from basic training of people that I had phone numbers for has been stolen. I reported it to Parris Island, South Carolina, MRC, Marine Corps Recruit Depot, Parris Island. Talked with the drill instructors and left a report in a book about the theft of the names of drill instructors, recruits, myself, just information that's safeguarded by the Navy. It's all naval intelligence, since the Marines is a branch off the Navy. So there's going to be consequences for actions that are taken against me still in retaliation. So I would heed that it doesn't happen, because the deeper the hole is dug, the worse it's going to get. The fact of the matter is y'all know what's going on. Don't play dumb. Don't. Do not. Period.